Ang sarap, grabe. Hello guys, good morning, good evening. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Today is Sunday here in Canada. So, medyo makulimlim, nag-snow with wet snow, no? So, mayroon naman akong dalawang overripe saging. So, tamang-tama siya. Kaya ginawa ko siyang banana cake. Okay? So, actually, ginawa ko to siya kagabi. And then, yan, breakfast ko to ngayon. And then, kung sino yung hindi pa nakasubscribe at bago ka sa aking channel, please subscribe my channel. Please support Daddywil Lifestyle. Watch my videos every time mayroon akong i-upload. Okay? Yung banana cake ko guys, nilagyan ko siya ng raisins, pistachio, and the chocolate chips. Yeah. Kaya medyo over calories na siya, but it's only an optional. It's up to you kung lagyan nyo or hindi. Pero ginawa ko kasi meron kasi akong chocolate pistachio na matagal na hindi na nagamit. So ayan, at saka mayroon pa rin akong tira-tira from December yung mga chocolate chips, kaya overload, ginawa ko siya doon, nilagay ko. Okay guys, so ito yung mga sangkap, no, ingredients sa aking banana cake overload. Okay, so dalawang mashed banana, three-fourth vegetable oil, 1.5 cup milk, or you can use EVAP. No, it's up to you. 1.5 tablespoon baking powder. 1.5 tablespoon baking powder. 2.5 cup brown sugar. 2 teaspoon raisins vanilla. So it's up to you guys if you want to add raisins or chocolate chips or pecan. Fried pecan guys, masarap din ang pecan i-mix mo sa banana cake. I tried it before but I don't have pecan right now. So guys, ito yung procedure niya. So okay guys, ito yung procedure niya, paano siya gagawin yung banana cake overload. Okay, so mix together or cream the oil and brown sugar. Add the egg one at a time. Beat until creamy. One at a time, add the eggs to the mixture of brown sugar and the oil. And then add your mashed banana. Then mix together again. Then add your dry ingredients, your flour mixture with the salt and the baking powder. Add alternate with milk. So you have to start your dry ingredients and then alternate with milk, and then you have to end with dry ingredients. So add your optional raisins, pistachio, chocolate chips, and everything. Kahit anong idagdag mo guys. lagyan mo siya ng oil or butter para hindi siya dumidikit. Pour your butter into your prepared pan. Kailangan meron siyang grease, guys, para hindi siya dumidikit. And then ito, nilagyan ko rin siya ng optional desiccated coconut. So, make sure you have to preheat your oven to 275 Fahrenheit before loading your banana cake. And bake for about 45 minutes, and then it depends your oven. Hello guys, sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin for the past weeks, maraming salamat. And sana ituloy niyo yung pagsuporta sa aking YouTube channel, Daddywil Lifestyle. Watch my videos every time mayroon akong i-upload, okay? And guys, at sana may nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, especially sa mga daddies dyan, sa mga mommies dyan, or sa mga kids out there na mahilig mag-bake, no? So sana nagustuhan niyo yung video na to at mayroon kayong natutunan sa aking banana cake overload. Okay? And then hanggang sa muli, guys. See you next video.